In this lesson, we will learn how to install Tableau on Windows 10. Let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Tableau desktop and press enter. So we will install the Tableau desktop version, which comes with a 14-day free trial. So I'll click the official website tableau.com. After clicking, here we will reach the Tableau desktop section. Okay. Here it's written you can start a free trial or you can click buy now. So I'll go for the 14-day free trial. Click on the button start a free trial. After clicking, here it's written Tableau desktop. Start your free 14-day trial. So I'll go below. Here you need to add your information. So I'll add. Okay, so now we will add the phone number and other details. Go below. Here select I agree. Click download free trial. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the Tableau exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Here select I have accept the terms of the license agreement. And after that click install. The installation started. Let's wait. We have installed Tableau. Now it will open for the first time. The desktop shortcut also got created on its own. Let's wait. Tableau opened for the first time. Here it's written start trial now. So I told you before that we can use Tableau desktop for 14 days without any restriction, and it is completely free for the first 14 days. So I'll click start trial now. Now here the same email ID is visible which we used before. So not a problem. Click register. The registration is complete. Click continue. Now Tableau desktop open for the first time. For a free Tableau tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free notes as well as interview questions and answers. Thank you for watching.